Ever wondered how to make the perfect Karachi biryani at home? Today, we're unmasking the secrets to crafting this aromatic and flavorful dish that hails from the bustling city of Karachi, Pakistan. First, gather your ingredients. For the biryani, you'll need 2 cups of basmati rice, a pound of chicken, 1 large onion, 2 tomatoes, and a handful of fresh mint and coriander. Now for the spices, you'll need a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons each of red chili and biryani masala, a pinch of saffron soaked in warm milk, and salt to taste. Lastly, for the garnish, you'll need fried onions, boiled eggs, and lemon wedges. Start by soaking your basmati rice in water for about 30 minutes. This step is crucial as it helps the grains to expand to their full length and become perfectly fluffy when cooked. While the rice soaks, finely chop your onion and tomatoes. Heat some oil in a large pan. Add your chopped onions and sauté them until they turn golden brown. This caramelization process is key to adding a depth of flavor to your biryani. Next, add your ginger garlic paste and sauté for a few more minutes until the raw smell disappears. Now it's time to add your chicken. Cook it until it turns white, then add your chopped tomatoes, red chili powder, turmeric, biryani masala, and salt. Stir everything together and let it simmer until the chicken is fully cooked and the spices are well blended. Meanwhile, drain your soaked rice and cook it in a large pot of boiling salted water until it's about 70% done. Then drain the rice and set it aside. Once your chicken is cooked, layer it with the partially cooked rice in a large pot. Sprinkle the saffron-infused milk, fresh mint, and coriander over the top. This layering technique is what gives biryani its unique, multi-dimensional flavor profile. Now seal your pot with a tight lid and cook on low heat for about 20 minutes. This process, known as dum cooking, allows the flavors to meld together and infuse the rice, creating a symphony of flavors that is the hallmark of a good biryani. After 20 minutes, remove the lid and fluff the biryani gently with a fork. Garnish with fried onions, boiled eggs, and lemon wedges. Your Karachi biryani is now ready to be served. To recap, soak and partially cook your rice, caramelize your onions, cook your chicken with spices, layer your ingredients in a pot, and let it all cook together on low heat. Garnish as desired, and voila! You've just made a perfect Karachi biryani at home. No need to book a flight to Pakistan to enjoy this delectable dish. Now go ahead and impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. Bon appetit!